Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and use OBS Studio transitions. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, once you've opened your OBS, your scene transitions is going to be right down here. However, if you don't find it on your UI, all you need to do is on top, as you can see, there's going to be this menu where you want to simply go ahead and click on Docs. And here you want to simply go ahead and search for scene transitions, as you can see. So I just removed it. I'm going to go ahead and add it back right here. So now once I've added that back, how I want to go ahead and add scene transitions is by simply clicking on it and selecting. So right now there's only cut and fade, as you can see, but you can go ahead and add something else if you want to. For example, slide, swipe, stinger, fade to color, luma wipe. And you can also go ahead and play around with the duration. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.